Not so long ago, I was struggling with my creativity. I was struggling with the feeling of being unnoticed. The feeling like I had burnt out of creativity. And looking back, the biggest problem I had was not knowing my own unique style. How could I ever be noticed if all my images looked just like everybody else's? Now I have my own unique flavor of imagery, and in hindsight, it wasn't so hard to achieve. Okay, let's make this one quick. You want to know how to be different, how to stand out, how to create your own style? Here's 3 tips. Tip 1, find your consistency. Think about what kind of content you go to first, or what type of content you fall back on. Maybe you like portraits, landscapes, adventures, selfies, whatever it is you enjoy doing, keep doing it. Focus on that one genre as your primary, and this will be your natural strength. Set it as a target on every shoot and hit it every time. Tip 2, be influenced. Watch movies, look at other creative people and be influenced. Try to take one element from 5 of your most favorite photographers or filmmakers and try to add those elements into your creativity. But remember, be influenced, don't copy. Tip 3, accept what you have. Take a look at your body of work and accept it. For me, living in the UK with all the rain and grey skies that we have really made me want to do the opposite, and instead of accepting my circumstances, I would find myself only taking images on sunny days or not even taking images at all until I could find good weather days. The problem with this is, 1, you take less images and in turn become less creative, and 2, you will always feel negative about your current circumstances. So accept what you have and who you are. I know it sounds simple, but I beg the next time you go out and shoot, try to incorporate those 3 tips, and I guarantee they will help you. So be kind and share this with your fellow creators, and I'm sure that these tips will help others too, just how they've helped me.